Let us solve two problems from optics from TIFR 2025 question paper. So the first problem states that light in medium with electric permittivity epsilon and magnetic permeability mu is incident on a medium with an electrical permittivity epsilon prime. So, and the magnetic permeability mu prime. The angle of incidence is I. The electric field is linearly polarized in the plane as shown. And the B field is in the Z direction. Which of the following is correct boundary condition on the fields? We need to find the correct boundary condition. Here, the problem states that a plane wave is incident on the interface between the two media. Medium one is having the epsilon permittivity is epsilon and permeability of medium one is having epsilon and mu, and medium two is having medium 2 is having epsilon prime and mu prime, right? The electric field is polarized in the plane of incidence. So this polarization TMO, so the boundary condition of the for the normal component of DR, so the boundary condition, the boundary condition, the boundary conditions for the normal component for the normal component of dr n cap d2 minus d1 is equal to 0, or we can write epsilon inverse e inverse equal to epsilon into e perpendicular plus e double prime perpendicular, right? Where E is the incident field, E double prime is the reflected field, and E single prime is the transmitted field. Where E is the incident field, E single prime is the reflected field, and E double prime is the transmitted field. We recall the component perpendicular to the interface y direction is proportional to sine of the angle. So E perpendicular, you know that the E perpendicular is proportional to the E sine of the incident, means sine of proportional to the sine of the angle. So sine, similarly for the others also. Therefore, the boundary condition becomes therefore the boundary conditions becomes sine R equal to epsilon E sine I plus sine I. So from here it is clear that the option A is correct for the above problem. So next move to the other problem. So the other problem states that uh, consider a fan with blades rotating with the frequency f as shown in the figure. It is used to periodically block a light beam of intensity I naught. The beam has a very small cross-section area and it and hits the blade near its outer edge. As shown, the transmitted the transmitted beam is detected by a photodetector detection unit which gives out a voltage signal V proportional to the transmitted intensity I. If this voltage signal pattern is displayed on an oscilloscope, what would be best and describe the signal pattern? So we need to find a signal pattern which will be appearing on the screen. So problem states that you have a long rotating fan with a two blades, half the circle covered rotating at a frequency f. When the fan spins, the beam is blocked. When the fan spins, the beam is blocked half the time and transmitted half the time. So the transmitted intensity versus time is a square wave. So I equal to, so the transmitted intensity versus time. So the transmitted intensity versus time is a square wave, right? I equal to I0 for half the rotation beam for half the rotation beam unlock or unblock or I equal to 0 for other half section or other half sections when the beam is blocked, right? So create is here equal to 1 by t equal to 1 by l, right? Therefore, the output is a square wave of duty cycle 50% and periodicity 1 by 2 because we are getting two on off transition part rotation. Each plate blocks once per unit part rotation. So the frequencies we have more formally we can tell the intensity pattern repeats twice per revolution. So we can reveal that the the intensity pattern repeats twice per revolution. So the base frequency of the signal is, so the base frequency of the signal is 1 2f. This is a square wave of 50% duty cycle at a frequency wave. So this is a square wave of 50% duty cycle at frequency 2f. Okay, a square wave of 50% duty cycle and amplitude they can be expressed via Fourier series, right? So by the Fourier series, we can write so then the Fourier series of such a square wave, we can write square t square t equal to a by 2 plus 2a by pi k equal to 1, 3, 5 dot, then 1 by k sine 2 pi k ft, right? But here the base frequency is 2 pi, but here the base frequency is 2f, right? Well, then the square t can be written as then the square t can be written as t can be written as a by 2 plus 2a by pi into n equal to 1, 3, 5 dot 1 by n pi pi n 2f into t. We define m equal to 2n, so that m becomes 2, 6, 10 dot the square. Then the square t we can write a by 2 plus 2a by pi summation of m equal to 2, 6, 10 half m by 2 sine 2 sine 2 pi m by 2 t f, or better we can write a by 2 plus m equal to 2, 6, 10 dot 4a by pi m into sine 2 pi m ft. Right, so this is the answer, or this is the expected uh, result which we will be able to see. So option A is the correct answer among the following options. So hope this problem as well as the solution is clear. So